Meanwhile, politics over the Maharashtra Hafta Gate now only continues and intensifies, with BJP leaders now shortly to be meeting Maharashtra governor over Parambir's extortion charges against the state Home Minister Anil Deshmukh and his links with arrested cop Sachin Waze. In fact, the BJP accuses Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of deliberately hushing up Deshmukh's extortion bid and nexus with the cops. The BJP has also slammed the Chief Minister, accusing him of sitting on cash for transfer scam in the police department. In fact, yesterday Deshmukh met Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray for the first time after being accused in the extortion racket. Inside sources suggest that the meet was over shunted intelligence chief Rashmi Shukla's report. The report, which was junked by the state government, claimed brokers and several top police officers were involved in the transfer racket. Let me cut across to Kamlesh, joining us for more details on that. Kamlesh, here's BJP now, a big delegation going to be meeting with the governor sometime post-afternoon today. They want to appraise the governor about what's happening within Maharashtra, the corruption allegations, and also cash for transfer within the police department. What more do we know, and what's the agenda here that the BJP wants to set?
Well, Nabila, what you've been given to understand is that in some time from now, at around 9:30, the BJP delegation will be meeting Maharashtra Governor B.S. Koshyari. And as hinted out by BJP leader Sudhir Mungantiwar on Monday, the BJP is likely to request the governor to seek a report from Maharashtra Chief Minister on the present political situation and the law and order situation of Maharashtra, and would also request the governor to send that report to the center. We've seen how Devendra Fadnavis yesterday had gone to meet the Union Home Secretary in New Delhi and requested him to initiate a CBI inquiry into the allegations made by Parambir Singh and about the cash for transfer scam. So based on that, the BJP is now upping its ante, and now they would be meeting governor in some time from now.
Thank you very much, Kamlesh, for joining us with those details. So the BJP leaders are going to be meeting with the governor anytime now, in that case, right? This morning, moments from now, they will be reaching the governor's office to give him an insight into what's really happening with regards to corruption allegations.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.